I will show you live examples, then you can able to easily understand. Before that, we will be going to discuss about structured query language is nothing but a simple language used to uh, talk with the database. We cannot able to directly say commands to database. With the help of this particular structured query language, we will be communicating with the database. Okay, with the particular SQL language, we are going to perform some of the operations with the database, like some of the operations like store. We will be storing the data in the database. Then we will be reading the data from the database. Then can update the data in the database, and then we can able to delete the data in the database. Okay, we can perform these particular operations. We can store, we can read, we can update, we can delete. Okay, with the help of SQL, we can perform these many operations. Okay, let me show you. Uh, in order to run the SQL commands, we need a server. Is it right? We need a server in order to run SQL commands. Uh, Now I'll be showing a simple server which you can able to download in your systems as well. Is my screen visible? Today we are going to discuss some of the basic concepts. Then from tomorrow onwards we'll be going with live examples like some of the commands and then usage and then some insertions and all. Today we are going to discuss about basic setup regarding SQL. Okay, SQL runs on server. We need MySQL server in order to run the SQL concepts. So you need to download some of the servers. I have downloaded XAMPP server. In future, we will be going to discuss about PHP as well. For PHP also, there is a requirement of server. So for both combinedly, I have downloaded single server, which is XAMPP server. Just you have to go to Chrome or any browser. Just search for XAMPP. 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 Just search for XAMPP. Over here, you can able to get the first official website, apachefriends.org. Just click on the particular website. Over here, you can able to see these are all the some of the version where you can able to download XAMPP for Windows, XAMPP for Linux, XAMPP for OS, iOS and all. Here you can able to see with the help of single server we can able to run Apache, MariaDB, PHP and then Perl. We can able to run all these particular languages with the help of this particular single server. Just you have to download this particular server based on your laptop's configurations. Just download the particular server. Okay, just clicking on this particular version, you can able to see the download will automatically start. If download automatically not started, just click on this particular click here button. The download will automatically start. Okay, you can able to see the download has been started. I have already installed XAMPP server, no need. It will automatically get installed in C drive. As you can able to see in the folders, just click on next. It will automatically get installed in your C drive. Let me show you where it is. In the C drive, you can able to see an XAMPP folder over here. You can able to see a XAMPP folder over here. In the XAMPP, all your XAMPP server will setup will be downloaded over here. After installing, just search for XAMPP, just open. The interface will be appears like this after opening the XAMPP. This is the setup after installing. This is the UI which you can able to see when opening the XAMPP. Okay, till now anybody have any doubts regarding this installation of XAMPP? Hello, kindly reply. Just download from XAMPP website, then install it. After installation, just open it. Now kindly reply whether you understood or not. Now I have installed XAMPP. Just I have opened the server. Now how to run your MySQL server. Over here you can able to see start buttons. Just click on MySQL. Near to MySQL, just click on start. When click on start, your XAMPP server, which is MySQL server, will automatically start. Okay, just click on start. It will automatically switches on the MySQL server. Okay, first of all, let me show you. Just I have stopped the server. Just in the website, I will be typing localhost. You can able to see. Just I have type localhost in the Chrome. Just localhost. You cannot able to see nothing. You can able to see the site cannot be reached like this particular page. You can able to see just by typing localhost. Okay, because I have not at all started any server. Now I'll be starting my MySQL server. Just I have started MySQL server. After starting this MySQL server, when I refresh this particular page, I can able to get just I have started MySQL server. So php myadmin. Just click on this particular admin. It will automatically take you to the localhost slash phpMyAdmin. Just start Apache server as well. Now both servers are running, Apache and then MySQL server. Just refresh, you can able to see the phpMyAdmin will open. It will take time, just wait. Okay, by starting, you can able to see this UI. When your both the servers are running, you can able to see this particular interface. Just by typing localhost also, you can able to see some interface. This is the interface which you can able to see after installation of XAMPP server. Okay, after successful installation and then starting the both the Apache and then MySQL server, you can able to see this particular UI. Without starting this particular my Apache and MySQL, you cannot able to see this particular UI. Okay, this is clear how to start the MySQL server. You have to start both Apache and then MySQL servers. Once you done all the task in the MySQL, just you have to click stop, then you can able to see a quit button. Just click on quit. It will automatically closes the XAMPP. Okay, this is clear. Now we are performing all the data which is SQL commands in phpMyAdmin. So just click on this particular phpMyAdmin. You can able to redirect to this particular interface. Over here you can able to create databases. You can able to create tables and all. Okay, these are all databases. You can able to see databases. These are all databases in my particular MySQL server. I have already created these many, which is e-commerce DB, EXP, Laravel. These are all the databases which I have created. Okay, inside this particular database, we can able to create the tables. Let me show you. In the e-commerce DB, you can able to see this is a e-commerce DB. In the DB, we have created 4 tables. A collection of tables is known as a database. Over here you can able to see clearly these are all tables. These collection of tables combined is known as a database. Okay, inside these particular tables we will be having some of the columns. As you can able to see, this is a orders table. In the orders table we have id, user id, total amount, order date, status. In the users table we have columns like id, name, email, password, created. Okay, this is a simple table structures. Can anyone, what is a database? In simple way, like we can able to say like database is a place where we are storing the data in the format of tables. Okay, so kindly reply whether you guys understood or not. How to you open this particular phpMyAdmin? Net off करो।